Homeowners often look for DIY tips to maintain their homes, but some advice can do more harm than good. DIY duct cleaning can lead to serious damage to your HVAC system. Inadequate tools and techniques can cause blockages, reduce system efficiency, and result in costly repairs. More importantly, DIY methods can release harmful particles into your home's air. Dust, allergens, and mold spores can escape, posing health risks to you and your loved ones. NADCA member companies use specialized equipment to thoroughly and safely clean your ducts, ensuring contaminants are properly contained and removed. DIY duct cleaning can be time-consuming and frustrating, often resulting in incomplete or ineffective cleaning. The initial cost savings can quickly vanish with potential system damage and increased energy bills. Trust a NADCA member company to maintain your HVAC system to ensure your family is breathing clean. Visit nadca.com to learn more and find a qualified professional near you. NADCA, promoting safe, efficient, and healthy indoor air quality.